What is up, Tress Troop? It is Tress to Impress, and I am Biggity BACK back with another video. Y'all, I have been getting so many questions and comments on how long my roller set style lasts. So I decided to create a video for you guys so that you could see 14 consecutive days after my roller set hairstyle. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video. Let's go ahead and jump straight into day one. This is my hair after I have unwrapped it. If you are interested in seeing how I do the wet roller set style technique, then check the description box down below. The most important part is that I do not use any flat irons. My hair is naturally curly and it is not chemically treated in any way, so day one is definitely giving silky, smooth, and volume. The takedown of day two was a little bit rough because on day one, I decided to sit out in the Alabama nighttime humidity until dew point, y'all. So my hair was a little bit more frizzy on day two than it normally is, but it was still beautiful. Here I am just brushing my hair down. As you can see, I maintain this style by wrapping my hair at night. I decided that I wanted to wear a side part. However, my roots were a bit frizzy. Instead of using a flat iron, I like to just use a holding spray on my edges, and I brush my hair flat and hold it in place until the holding spray dries, and then boom, I have sleek edges. So I ended up just putting my hair back behind my ears after that and sectioning off some sideburns, and it's still giving volume, silky, luxurious. Now we are on day three. Now on the night of day two, I once again decided to hang out outside all night in the humidity. I do not know why. So I have even more frizz at my roots on the takedown for day three, but let me show you how I work my magic. I know y'all have seen the girlies flipping the ends of their hair with the flat irons, and I just love the fact that after I wrap my roller set, I can create these flipped ends by just brushing my hair in the direction. So I did that, and now I am creating a side part. This time I wanted to give a little swoop and a sideburn for the girlies who really like that type of look. So I was trying to give more of a trendy style on this day. And y'all just watch how I work my magic. Once again, to hold my hair in place, I am using a holding spray. And the key to using the holding spray on a straight style but naturally curly hair is to do layers, very light layers of the holding spray, and then holding the hair in place until it dries. Other products tend to revert my hair back to its curly state. And even the holding spray will do that if I spray it too heavily at one time. So I do very light mists, and I'm very sure to hold my hair in place until it is completely dry. Also, light layers of the holding spray coats the hair and protects against humidity. I think day three was my favorite day. Y'all let me know what you think. This is day four. So I don't even think I wrapped my hair on day three night. I think I just put it in a ponytail and put the bonnet on top. And some nights it's like that. So this is me brushing my hair down. I just had some quick errands to run. Did not want to do anything too fancy or too fabulous. So it was a hat day, and it's still giving fabulous. It's still giving bouncy, shiny, all of the things. Is definitely not frizzed to the point where I can't wear it. Fast forward to day 5, and I did wrap my hair overnight. So here I am taking down the wrap and brushing my hair out. And as you can see, it's not perfect. It is frizzy, but that does not mean that I have to get out the flat irons, and that does not mean that I have to redo my hair either. So I opted for another ponytail day. And I'm using my holding spray just to get all of my hair in place. I did a side part again, no swoop really, no exaggerated swoop, and I did do some sideburns. Also in this clip, you can see that I use a combination of a fine tooth comb and a very soft toothbrush to get my edges and my sideburns in place and give them a freshly pressed look without actually having to use a heat styling tool. So here's how the ponytail came out. Very simple look, very sleek, clean, and it's still giving luscious. Day 6. Day 6 rained. So this is actually me coming back in from the rain after running errands. And you can see that my roots frizz, but my ends are still not frizzy. I am going to show you how I remedied that frizz at my roots without using any heat styling tools. Remember, my hair just absorbed that moisture, so it's still slightly damp. So instead of adding heat, I just brush the hair down and tie it down. I'm going to allow the hair time to dry with this silk scarf on, and then I'm going to take the silk scarf off and let you guys see what the hair looks like later on that day. As far as the ends, they are less likely to frizz because I did coat them with a little bit of hairspray before going in the rain. And boom. Now, day 7, I did not wrap my hair. I put the bonnet on, fell asleep with the ponytail holder. So I did have to use hair gel on day 7 in order to avoid using any heat. The ponytail with the wet baby hairs was so fly that I decided to keep the hairstyle for day 8, 9, and 10. So instead of wasting your time with 3 ponytails, I decided to just show you one, and yeah, let that do. If you are interested in seeing separate videos for days 8, 9, and 10, then follow me on Instagram. Let's get into the details of this sleek ponytail with these baby hairs. I start by brushing all of my hair into place. Then I am going to add my elastic band, and I'm making sure that there are no lumps and bumps, etc. And of course, the ponytail could be more slick and more sleek than what I'm making. However, I'm more focused on the edges than making the ponytail hard molded. I want the ponytail to still be soft. So here I'm just adding a little bit of gel, and look at how that light amount of gel and me brushing my hair back just completely gave me hot combed roots. Like, it's mind-blowing. It really doesn't take a whole lot. So now I'm adding a little bit more gel, and I'm brushing all of my baby hairs into place, just using a very soft old toothbrush. And you can use a tool that you like. You know, you can use any brush, any edge brush, your fingers, whatever. After I do that, I like to tie it down with a scarf, and then there was the ponytail. Now, day 11 was actually another ponytail, and I said I wasn't going to waste your time with the extra ponytails, but boom, here I am, because I wanted to show you guys the satin scarf. So I don't cover my entire head, I just use satin headbands. Day 12 got a little bit fancy. I don't know what got into me, but I decided to leave down a little bang section, and the frizz gave the bang just a little bit of volume. And I did this cute little fan bun at the top of my head, and I left the back half down. If you are interested in details on those glamorous glasses, then make sure you check the description box below. I'll have the video linked, and a discount code is in that video for you to get prescription glasses. And now we are on day 13, and y'all, I'm ashamed to say it's another ponytail day. It just was what it was. I was staying inside on day 13, and you got what you got, but you can see the quality of the hairstyle. It's still giving. And then finally, day 14 was a bun day. And you guys, I actually did more bun days beyond day 14 that I did not film. In total, I wore this roller set for about 3 weeks before washing my hair. And on wash day, my hair was still straight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video, and leave me some comments so I know which hairstyles you guys like the most. Bye.